The Ninja Flexflame 5-in-1 is more than just a grill. It's also a smoker, a roaster, a pizza oven, and a griddle. So why settle for one when you can have it all under one hood? Because of the versatility of the Flexflame, it's going to need electricity, so we're going to make sure we plug that in. But also runs on gas too, so make sure you got a propane tank in there. Turn it on full blast before you get this thing going. Starting up the Flexflame will be similar to a gas grill in that you're going to need to lift the hood before you ignite it. One of the many features that I love about the Flexflame is that it has a digital dial, so that way you can turn up the temperature to exactly what you want to get that precision flame that you need. The grilling temperature set goes between 450 to 600 degrees, and you can adjust it in between that range easily using all three burners. And it also heats up really fast thanks to another feature which I love, is the cyclonic air. So you got a convection style cooking here that not only helps it heat up faster, but also helps cook things faster and make them more crisp too. Not only can you use the Ninja Flexflame as a smoker, but you can also infuse smoke flavor into things that you're grilling, roasting, or even griddling. Just put the pellets in the side door and then press wood fire flavor on the digital display and you're good to go. Today I'm going to be cooking some steak kabobs that I've assembled, and I'm going to put them on the Flexflame at 450 degrees. And I'm going to put them on the main grill grate section here, but you'll also see that there's a top shelf, which is normally a warmer in traditional grills. But with the Ninja Flexflame, anything you put on the top grill grates will cook evenly, just like it does on the bottom surface. At 450 degrees, at 5 minutes, I'm going to flip these over and cook them for an additional 1 or 2 minutes because these things cook fast thanks to the precision flames and the cyclonic air. I mean, look how good these kebabs turned out. But make sure to turn off the grill as well as turn off the propane so you can conserve the fuel and the energy there. The possibilities are endless with the Ninja Flexflame. It's much more than a grill.